Module 2 is all about cough and sneeze etiquette. Stop the spread. Maintain hygiene standards. Cough and sneeze to ensure your fluids are contained. Cough and sneeze etiquette. Don't sneeze or cough into your hands or into the open air. Otherwise, your gross droplets can spread. Sneezing. Sneeze into a clean tissue, not a hanky. Discard the tissue after each sneeze into a closed bin. Coughing. Cough into the fold of your arm. This traps nasties into washable fabric, or use a paper towel or a tissue. Sanitize. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer after coughing or sneezing, or if you have used a tissue.